Yep. Now you're going to cut right along that bone. Yep. Yep. Hug that bone. Hug the bone. See that white bone there? There you go.
Is that good?
Yep. You maybe want to hug it a little bit more, but you're doing good. Okay. Now you want to get your finger in there. Yeah, I'll get his finger in there. Don't cut my finger off, though.
I won't.
Okay. There you go. You put your finger in there now. How's it going, Tyra? Hey. You're cleaning ducks. Nice work. Yeah, you're getting it. Yep, just grab it. You can grab it. It's not going to hurt you. There you go. There. Good job. Put her in the bowl. Hey, let's see. Let's see a nice smile. Nice work.